Swoosh Technologies, we're a little unique. As a company that's been doing business for 20 plus years, our team is hyper-focused on manufacturing. We're involved with our clients, not only the efficiencies, the profitability, but we're identifying gaps that aren't even present to help improve their process. We understand today's complexities in the manufacturing environment is ever-changing. Our goal for our clients is to provide tailored solutions that address complex environments and produce the efficiencies that they're looking for. As a provider of manufacturing software solutions, we value simplicity over complexity. Our manufacturing field engineers follow a proven methodology of identifying gaps, developing solutions, validating, and implementing. This approach ensures us both the continuity of a solution and acceptance and a tangible return in the shortest time possible. The Siemens digital manufacturing software portfolio allows us to level up manufacturing capability. We use this software as a so-called technology manufacturing workbench. This enables our clients to adapt and innovate as new programs emerge, ensuring our customers can remain competitive and agile in a dynamic, changing environment. As manufacturing continues to increase in complexities, we've developed a trusted network of partners. These partners assist our team to develop the solutions to fill the gaps for the requirements to meet demands of our clients. We lean in this network to develop a complete solution, so we ensure success and leaves our customers the confidence of deployment. Over the past 2 decades, we've navigated numerous challenges, from implementing advanced machine-based controls simulation to now AI generating machining. By leveraging our experience of our team, which has an in-depth knowledge of many years of multiple industries and manufacturing, we're able to deliver advanced solutions that not only address today's needs, but look into the future for what needs are coming downstream. When we work with our customers, it's a partnership. Together, we navigate the complexities of manufacturing and move forward on the goals and the objectives that are set by us so we achieve the efficiencies and profitability that you're looking for.